She asked me to come in for 4:45, but I'm going to be on campus at least till 5 p.m. today. And I'm frustrated because
Okay.
last time they asked me to come
So
early.
today we're going to review all of the different verb tenses that you can find in the French language.
I'm just frustrated.
Anna, no speaking on the phone in class. So what verb tenses have we already covered in class? Take a moment. Do any of these look familiar to you?
Present?
Present, yes, that's definitely one of the tenses. Present is the same as what you'd find in English. So if we were to conjugate the verb to eat, manger, in the present, what we would get is je mange, tu manges, il ou elle mange. Nous mangeons, vous mangez, il ou elle, au pluriel, mange. Look, class, this is very important. Please, put away your phones. Pay attention. Moving on to the passé composé, which roughly translates into English as the past tense or the present perfect tense. What you'll notice in this case is that the verb that we're conjugating, manger, never changes. What does change, however, is the verb that's associated with the subject. In this case, we get j'ai mangé, tu as mangé, il ou elle a mangé, nous avons mangé, vous avez mangé, il ou elle au pluriel ont mangé. Moving on to the imperfect tense, l'imparfait. We get je mangeais, tu mangeais, il ou elle mangeait, nous mangions, vous mangiez, il ou elle mangeait.